Here's Helterbrand. Nice pass for Meng.
Right now, Ginebra can do whatever it wants with that screen roll. Right that time around, it was an early slip. Still, Air 21 could not stop that play.
Wala pa nung first half yan. 14 to shoot.
You know, I think it's just difficult when you know that JJ Helterbrand is the one crossing that screen because he has the ability to shoot that jump shot. He can go to the hole, and obviously a very good passer too.
Si Junti Valenzuela tatawagan ng foul. Here's what happened earlier.
And right there, an early slip, miscommunication or no communication on the part of Air 21.
And back to live action. Babalik na naman sa free throw line itong si Steve Thomas. Ako, Jason, pwede siya tumakbo na konsihal dyan sa free throw line sa tinagal-tagal niya dyan.
Problema, walang botante. Maliit na yung free throw line eh.
Wala na siyang ano dyan permanent residence. But that's how you know that, you know, Steve Thomas is not afraid to mix it up inside. You know? Kahit mapalo siya, tamaan siya dun sa loob. Okay lang sa kanya.
Oh, with that foul, Air 21 will land in the penalty with still 7 minutes and 46 to go. Actually, the fourth team foul para sa Barangay Ginebra, or for Air 21. But still, again, same trend as the first quarter. A lot of fouls early on for both teams.
There's Alexander. Drop pass. Meng misses. Meng got the ball. Good hustle by Eric Meng with 7.5 to go in the third quarter. Labang ng tatlo ang Ginebra, 61-58. They go to Alexander, one-on-one against Thomas. Alexander makes his move, no go, and Ranadel De Ocampo is fouled.